Today we'll talk about the alphabet that we use in Russian language. In fact, it is Cyrillic alphabet that is used not only in Russian language, but in other languages as well. In total, Russian alphabet has 33 letters. Our major interest is not only how the letters are written, but also how do we pronounce each of them. At this point of time, especially phonetics will be a key to map Cyrillic letters and Latin letters. Please have a look at the screen. Here you can see letters in two forms, capital letter and small letter. Also, you see transcriptions and some words. These words are not always truly Russian, they are just written with Cyrillic letters. Most of these words are well known all over the world, so I think you can easily recognize them based on my pronunciation. Feel free to repeat with me. Let's start. A. Ankara. Ankara. Capital of Turkey. B. Berlin. Berlin. V. Vienna. Vienna. G. Grodno. Grodno. That's the city in Belarus. D. Dresden. Dresden. Ye. Ye. Yerevan. Yerevan. Yo. Köln. Köln. Ж. Женева. Женева. З. Загреб. Загреб. И. Иран. Иран. Й. Йемен. Йемен. К. Катар. Катар. Л. Лондон. Лондон. М. Москва. Москва. Н. Ницца. Ницца. О. Осло. Осло. П. Прага. Прага. Р. Рим. Рим. С. Сидней. Сидней. Т. Токио. Токио. У. Украина. Украина. Ф. Франкфурт. Франкфурт. Х. Хельсинки. Хельсинки. Ц. Цюрих. Цюрих. Ч. Чикаго. Чикаго. Ш. Шанхай. Шанхай. Letter Sh. This is the only one when I will give you not geographical name but name of soup. I believe that if you are interested in Russian language, then you definitely heard this word before. If not, here it is. Sh. Борщ. Борщ. Then there are two letters that don't have special separate sound, but their functions are to keep previous consonant hard or soft accordingly. That's why these letters have their names, hard sign and soft sign. Hard sign doesn't have any separate sound, but soft sign makes the previous L softer in word Bruxelles. Bruxelles. What is Bruxelles? Brussels. Letter I. Крым. Крым. Letter E. Edinburgh. Edinburgh. U. Юрмала. Юрмала. Я. Yalta. Yalta. Later we'll talk more about consonants and vowels. We'll group some of them in pairs to make it easier to remember all of them, and specifically we'll see that vowels make pronunciation of previous consonant hard or soft. Finally, there is a small self-check exercise for you. Please have a look at the screen, choose the best option, and find correct answers in the comments.